executed over 100 trips between Liverpool and Glasgow from September 2011 to October 2012.
I do know that's just the business account on another phone. That's why I'm dropping them links.
Concealed within vehicles and personal belongings.
So I support my own chat and do my own networking. Shout out to the big homie. Appreciate you for spending some time with me this morning. No, you woke up smoking good, doing good.
Unbeknownst to the Welshes, their expansive operation
Another day in
had
paradise,
attracted
right?
the attention of Titan, the Northwest Regional Organized Crime Unit. The scale of their operation was staggering, with estimates suggesting the distribution of drugs valued between 100 million and 200 million pounds. In a later series of coordinated raids, authorities targeted key members of the syndicate.
You already know the big homie gonna show up and show out.
Were arrested, eventually leading to
Wonder
long
which
prison
song or
sentences
beat
being
that I
handed
picked
down.
today. Y'all saw the intro beat, and y'all know I probably picked something else to listen to also. Shouts out to that big
On May
homie.
3rd, 2014, two
Y'all
25-year-old
know my
men
night
from
bot
the
ain't
Bolton
worked in
area were
months.
arrested at Manchester Airport while
Hence why
attempting
we
to
got
board a
to
flight to
two phones
Amsterdam.
in here.
They were taken into custody on suspicion of involvement in Duffy's murder. The trial commenced in June 2015 at Liverpool Crown Court. The jury heard compelling evidence, including cash transfers into an account, which prosecutors said was payment for the murder weapons.
Damn.
On June 26, 2015, Sean Walmsley and Christopher Kenny were convicted of Anthony Duffy's murder and sentenced to life imprisonment, each with a minimum term of 30 years. Very few escapes have matched the audacity of Sean Walmsley's breakout from custody. Serving a life sentence, Walmsley orchestrated an escape that would leave the authorities searching for over a year.
Oh, you'd be surprised at how many prison facilities are just converted hospitals. I learned that my first couple times down because when you go to St. Joe, it's one of the diagnostic centers. It's got a brand new diagnostic center back in the day when it was new. Uh, but the rest of the facility was an old hospital basically, and then it was a college bio hospital. So that's what the prison buildings got turned into. So yeah, all the state facilities are basically all the same. They all look like schools and hospitals. Because they'll
Walmsley
just
began
use
his plan
buildings
by
for
feigning
whatever.
severe bowel issues, a ruse that necessitated medical evaluations outside the prison walls. To lend credibility to his act, he deliberately lost a significant amount of weight, presenting a frail appearance that convinced prison officials. This deception got him a scheduled appointment at Aintree University Hospital on February 21st, 2017. On the day of the appointment, Walmsley was escorted by two unarmed prison officers. As they exited the hospital and approached a private hire taxi designated for their return to HMP Liverpool, two masked men launched an ambush. One of the attackers brandished an Uzi submachine gun, while the other wielded a knife. They threatened to cut the officers if they did not release Walmsley from his handcuffs. Faced with lethal force, the officers complied, and Walmsley was swiftly bundled into a gold-colored Volvo, which sped away from the scene.
Shouts out to having some good friends. See what I talk about? Y'all got to build y'all a network. I mean, although I don't suggest that your network does these type of activities, okay? I'm not promoting. I'm not promoting being about that life, but you got to have you some friends when you need friends, right? Because homie said I called the homies, let them know I was going to be leaving for a doctor's appointment. They put in the homework on figuring out when and where that doctor's appointment would be, what the security detail would be, and they came prepared. Okay, shouts out to having friends that is going to do their homework and come help your ass out. Shouts out to the Homework 2025. Y'all know this playlist is extravagant. We only a couple months into it, and we already done surpassed last year's video playlist. Shouts out to the Workbook 2024. It was a beast, but hell, the homework is even better. You dig? Shouts out to the homework. You know, we be doing our own work.